Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will show you if you would like to create a key pair in a AWS for connecting to a EC2 instance, then how we can create a key pair, and I will talk about more details about this key pair. Okay guys, so how we can do, let's go to the AWS console, and this is my console. This part keep in mind, okay? So you have to always keep this in secure place. Either you can use the secret manager, and there you can store. In my previous video I have already demonstrated how we can store this key pair in the secret manager, and then how we can retrieve back also. Okay guys, so that point keep in mind. Also I will show you, once we attach to a particular EC2 instance, right, then which place basically on a EC2 instance the public key will be present. That part also I will show you. Okay guys, and there is some limitation, only 5k per region you can create that this kind of what I can say, that key pair, that only 5k in a particular region you can create, not more than that. That kind of limitation also is there. So more details about that you can take a look this AWS the document page. Here it is mentioned each and everything with the more details. Okay guys, so I will give this link to this video description also for your reference. Okay, and one more thing, keep in mind that private key format, right? So one is the format is the PM file, and another one is the PPK. So PM file basically used for open SSH. Like if you would like to do SSH on a particular EC2 instance, then PM is the file you have to generate. But if you want to use this key or if you want to connect your EC2 instance by using putty, then .ppk format you have to use. And how we can, if you suppose you have a PM file, and from PM file how we can convert to ppk, that part I have already demonstrated in my previous session, which I have talked about how we can connect the put by using putty, that EC2 instance. You can refer that video. Okay guys, so let's give that name here. Suppose demo private key, something like that, and then let's like that this one. And this tag is optional, up to you. You can give that name, and then you can give that name of that key, optional, or maybe you can add the owner here. Okay, so or maybe Dave or QA, something like that, and then click on create. Now we are good to create this use this RSS, that key, right? This key, and we can utilize to our EC2 instance. Once we have that, right, then let me show you one EC2 instance, how the public key looks like. Basically we used to attach this key, right? Let me show you that one more thing here. Let's go to the one EC2 instance. Let's come here, EC2 instance, and if you go to this particular EC2 instance little bit right, then we can able to see what the key name actually. Whenever you are attaching that key, right, it will be here. And if you go logged in this particular EC2 instance, right, then we can able to see that public key also. Let me show you that the location. This is the location, and here in this home EC2 user dot ssh and authorized key, this is the public key attached to this particular what I can say, this EC2 instance. Okay guys, and that whatever key we have generated now, that PM file, that is like our private key. So by using that, this is like a kind of handshake, so that it will be like authenticate, okay, this is the right user or not. Okay guys, so like this we can create our key and we can utilize it. So I hope this session will helpful to you guys, and if you have any doubt or if you have any concern about this, then please put those things in this video description or maybe video comment section. I will address those in my next subsequent video, or maybe I will answer in that comment section. So, okay guys, so if you feel like this video is valuable, then I will request one more thing, guys, please share surrounding with your friend. That will really inspire to me, and that will really helpful to me. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.